Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about inverse Laplace transformation. So now I will show you how to answer. Before doing inverse Laplace transformation, we need to do about partial fractions of this one. If we do factorization in here, you will go about h plus 1, h plus 3. Next, we need to do about partial fractions. So I will put about capital A over h plus 1, capital B over h plus 3. Next, we do common denominator. So capital A will multiply by h plus 3. Capital B will multiply by h plus 1. And now we need to expand everything in here. H and H, we can do about factorization. So you will got like this. Now we compare coefficients. About H, this is about number 1. That means A plus B equals to number 1. 3A plus B equals to negative number 2. And now we create the system of equations. So we got about 8 equals to negative number 3 over 2. About B, that's about 5 over 2. So we put this one go in here. So we have the formula in here. So we can convert this one go back to e to the power of 80. So we put about f of t. We see that this is about number 1, but this one is about negative a. So if we want to go about positive number 1, a in here should be about negative number 1. So you go about negative 3 over 2 e to the power of negative t. The next one, positive number 3. So a in here should be about negative number 3. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.